Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your TradingView chart using an easy method. First, open TradingView and select your desired asset. Then, navigate to the chart settings to adjust the appearance, like colors and timeframes. We will also cover adding a few key indicators to enhance your TradingView. This simple approach helps you get started quickly and efficiently. Now, let's personalize your chart's appearance. Go to the chart settings by right-clicking on the chart or using the gear icon. Here, you can modify candlestick colors, change the background to a dark or light theme, and adjust grid line visibility. Experiment with different chart types, like Heiken, Ashi, or Renko, to find what best suits your analytical style. These small changes make a big difference. Next, we'll add powerful indicators and drawing tools. Click the Indicators button at the top to search for and apply tools like the Relative Strength Index or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Use the drawing panel on the left to add trend lines, horizontal lines for support and resistance, and Fibonacci retracements. Once your chart is perfect, save it as a template to quickly load your preferred setup anytime. Finally, let's look at some advanced tips and resources. Consider using multi-chart layouts to view different timeframes simultaneously, which can offer a broader market perspective. Don't forget to set up price alerts for specific levels. This keeps you informed without constant monitoring. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, a book can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for a link to that book, as well as other helpful deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.